The 2 days coronavirus mass testing exercise for residents of Nairobi came to a close Sunday, with many claiming stigmatization was a big impediment for defeating the virus. Health officials conducting these screenings say that numerous forms of discrimination have been reported and that a section of Kenyans see no need for the test when the state has reopened schools and social meeting places.
Day 2 of mass testing in Nairobi. The Nairobi Metropolitan Services is conducting free mass testing in 17 sub-counties within the city county. Families, individuals walk in at Rabai Road Primary School, Makadara sub-county. Caregivers from orphanages guiding children in having their COVID-19 tests conducted. The caregivers are keen to know the status of the children before they are integrated back to the orphanage. The kids were sent back to their relatives in mid-March after the country confirmed first COVID-19 case.
And also we have caretakers in that children's home. Some of whom don't stay in there. They go home and come back, and you know this is a community, there's community transmission currently going on. So it would just be good to know as they interact with their caregivers and as the children interact with each other if they are okay in terms of their COVID status, or if there are those who have been infected, so that we can isolate them and give them the care that they require in good time.
I think it's good for me to know my health.
Nimetoka kwa church na imetangazwa kwa church, sikuwa nimesikia.
At Eastleigh Health Center, street families got wind of the COVID-19 free testing and took advantage of the exercise. But even with the cases surging, some locals seem to have thrown caution to the wind and wearing of masks seem bygone. In Mombasa, a community-based leader, Zamza Mohammed, has urged the national government to conduct free mass testing nationally to find the extent of the virus spread.
Hakuna mtu alikuwa na expect kwa ugonjwa huu utakuja. Watu wamekaa nyumbani hawana makazi, unaambiwa kutest uende ukalipa 10,000 ama 6,000. Mtu atatoa wapi? Anaangalia anasema wacha nikamwe limau na tangawizi ninywe, mimi nijisikize. Ushaona?
In Uasin Gishu, area governor Jackson Mandago is calling on residents to adhere to guidelines issued by the Ministry of Health to fight coronavirus. Mandago spoke Sunday at Uasin Gishu County Assembly when he met funeral committee of the late Huruma MCA Peter Kiuru Chomba, who succumbed to COVID-19 last week.
We have no choice. I think protecting lives that are still existing is going to be very paramount for all of us.
A section of Kenyans are yet to agree to the presence of COVID-19 in the country, thus keeping away from testing centers. Health officials says it takes the whole society in ending the spread of the contagious virus. They say it starts by knowing our status. Irene Mchuma Odim, Channel 1 in Eastleigh, the county of Nairobi.